Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.0.42 on Lubuntu 24.04. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Lubuntu, that is Firefox. Then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Hit enter. Then click on downloads. Scroll down. Then click on MySQL community downloads. Then click on MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.42. If you are unable to find the version here, we have to click on this archives. There you will find all versions. Select the version. Then select the operating system. For Lubuntu, we have to select the Ubuntu Linux. Then select the OS version. Lubuntu 24.04. I am on Lubuntu 24.04. Let us verify the version. Go to System Tools. Then QTerminal. /etc os-release. See, we are on 24.04. okay, Control A. So once we selected these options, see it populated the list of the Debian packages. We have to download each package, but instead of downloading each package, just download this deb bundle. Click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 488 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will extract this star file. Okay, this will take time. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open. Now go to terminal, cd, go to downloads directory ls. See here we have the MySQL server tar file. We have to untar this one, tar-xf, give MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. See, extraction completed, ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages we have to install. But before installing them, we have to install following dependencies. Sudo apt install -app -ipadic -utf8, then libaio-dev. I will keep this command in the video description. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Control A, ls. Now install these packages. Sudo dpkg -a start.deb. Hit enter. See, now it is installing MySQL Server 8.0.42. Now we have to set the password for root account. Provide the password, hit enter, confirm the same, hit enter, use the tab, hit enter. See here we have the two default authentication plugins, strong password, that is the recommended, and legacy authentication method. It is up to you. I am going with legacy. It is up to you. Select OK by using tab and hit enter. See, these are failed. It's okay. We have successfully installed MySQL Server. Sudo, now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL Server is running and it is enabled. Q to quit. Control A. Now connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password of this root account that you have set. See, you have successfully connected to MySQL Server version 8.0.42. You can also confirm by running the command select version. See, we have installed MySQL Server version 8.0.42. Now verify the list of the databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL Server installation. Now create database. Create database bank. Now verify again. See, we have created database. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then name of the database. See, database changed. Now verify list of tables. Show tables. See, you don't have any tables. Control L to clear screen. Now create a table. Create table. See, we have created table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, now verify list of users. Show users. This won't work. You can get the list of the users by running the command select user from MySQL .user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create user. Create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have successfully created. Let us verify. Select user from MySQL.user. See, user David is created. Now exit from the MySQL, which is connected by using root account. Then connect MySQL server with the user. So to exit, we have to run the command exit. Now MySQL-u, username is David-p. Then provide the password. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. So provide it. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify this currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have logged in with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. Use, then provide the name of the database. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server 8.0.42 on Lubuntu operating system. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL, hit enter. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is stopped. Okay, also try to connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-p. Provide the password of root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL server is running. Okay, quit to quit. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is restarted or started 2 seconds ago. Quit to quit. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL client. We can also connect MySQL server by using the MySQL Workbench or DBR. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both MySQL Workbench or DBR on Linux operating systems. Okay, ls. See, these files are not required anymore because we have successfully installed. So to clear the space, we have to delete these files. rm star.deb. ls. See, here we have one more file. Remove it. rm view MySQL, give the tab, hit enter. ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.42 on Lubuntu 24.04. Okay, for more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.